Alright, what's up guys? Allocated Prepper here. I'm outside right now. It's just a really nice day outside, decided to come out. And what I have for you guys today is from my bug out bag, my solar powered power bank, as well as my rechargeable batteries, and the pack to actually recharge every battery. And I'll put the links below for everything, that way you guys can see them and see if you guys want to buy them. I believe everything costs less than 20 bucks. Not all together, but I think this costs like 15, like 10 bucks for the charger, $10 for $10 for like the pack themselves. But it's really cool. So, oh, and it actually comes like with a little like light, like a reading light for the panel itself. Now I did actually use this last night, so I don't know how, and I've been charging it, so I don't know how well it's actually gonna work today, but you can see the light's on. So, it does work. This thing's awesome. I had my phone on it last night. My phone went from like 30% to 75%. So I'm not saying it's going to recharge it fully, but again, that was at night, by the way, as well. That was at night, so it's not like I had this out in the sun charging while it was actually charging itself. So it's really nice, and it actually has another little flashlight right there on it. You just double click the power button for this. But yeah, so let's get into it. It comes with a carabiner on it. I'm not a fan of these carabiners. They break down really fast and just don't work right after. So if you're gonna ever use it to like put on your bag to charge while you're just walking, I'd highly recommend getting a better carabiner for this. This one's just not very good. Or some people call them D-rings, whatever you guys like to call them. But yeah, the actual panel still works very well. It's a little dirty, but panel works very well, and it even works in low light. Like even now with me being in the shade, not in the sun, it's still charging, so it's good. And these right here are just the Amazon basic batteries. As well as Amazon basic rechargeable. I don't know the difference between these, like why these ones are green and black and why these ones are green and silver. I honestly couldn't, or green and gray. I couldn't tell you, but I know they're all same. I know this one did come with the charging pack, so that might be why. But I have a total of, what was it, 6, 12, 4, so I got, what, 18 batteries? 16 batteries? 16 batteries that I have in here that came with it, so. And like most of our lights only take 1 to 2, so this is perfect to have. And then, oh, and by the way, these all come pre-charged too from Amazon. So, and then if you notice, I have a white cord. I think this white cord came from one of my radios that I have, my weather radios. This one comes from the actual charging pack right here, which you can charge 4 batteries up at a time. You can also charge, double A's and triple A's with this. So then it gives you a real good, like red means they're still charging, green means they're fully charged. Again, that's Amazon Basic. And you can actually charge them with the DC outlet as well, which is totally fine. But my thing is, since they are in my bug out bag, if I need to recharge them outside of home, I just don't like that idea. But I mean, it does come with a micro USB, but I don't like that idea. So this other cord right here is a dual HDMI, or not HDMI, dual USB. So I have this, so I can actually charge, because this has a micro USB, so you can, or a USB, so you can charge your phone. USB and the USB, so you can charge it like through your laptop or anything like that. But I have it to where with this double-sided USB, I can actually charge it charge everything with just this right here. Probably need to put it on the right side though. I hardly see the green light just because I'm in the sun right now, but it is charging. It's just very, very dim right now. But this will charge these perfect. And again, leave it out in the sun, they work phenomenally. So that's just this, guys. A real short, real simple video. I'll be doing another video as well, and I'm gonna try to get them all posted to you guys as soon as I can. And then just for now, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever you guys feel like you need to do, please do. It would help out the channel a lot, and I've been just trying to get people to budget, or people to prep on a budget. It is very simple, and I'm working very hard at it. So, or trying to work hard at it. I still work a lot, so it's not able to post as many videos or go into as much depth as some other people, but I'm trying, guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.